What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Arrma mojave grom brushless 2 to 3S. Now I will definitely be using it this year for 2026 my opinion, so this is the first going to be the first use of this year for 2026 my opinion, because I expected the same thing. It looks pretty nice my opinion, so this thing that we'll be using in this year for 2026 my opinion. You know it's not into this thing exactly because it's definitely looks pretty nice looking machine my opinion. Because I do like this thing a lot because you see how expected this thing exactly, so this thing that we'll be using in this year for 2026 18. The other body is cracked like you can see, but that's just because how I expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice my opinion. And you see some of the paint is currently peeling off, you can see, because that's because of lower how it's expected this thing exactly, which you'll definitely be using in this year for 2026 my opinion, because the second year of this year season, which is the first year was back in like August, and so far the thing that you can be using almost quite a bit. You see how expected this thing that just definitely looks up pretty nice my opinion. So this thing that we'll be using this year again for 2026 my opinion. But also this thing that is going to get used again this year because I know I expected this thing that it's definitely to see because you expected this machine that so this thing that we'll be using again this year for 2026 my opinion, because I know I expected this thing that just definitely looks up pretty nice my opinion. So this thing that we'll be using again this year for 2026 my opinion, you know it's something like this much you can see because we expected this thing which is in my opinion, so the thing that we'll be using in this year for 2026, my opinion, so this is a very nice looking machine, my opinion, so the thing that we'll be using in this year for 2026, and so this is a very nice looking machine.